Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to download this. So download, we're going to do a JPEG. You could also do a PNG. It says it's suggested. Let's try the JPEG. You can't really adjust the size of the JPEG, so we'll just download it. That's going to go into our downloads folder. Takes a little bit. Just have to wait for that to download, and then once it's done downloading, we'll move it into, doesn't look too bad, it looks like a decent quality, it's not blurry or anything, which is great. So let's open up the downloads folder, let's open up another folder, and actually let's put this in our Verpaskable magazine ad folder that's within our documents. So I'm just going to put that in here for my own references. I'll have that on file. You can always go back into Canva if you need to make any kind of changes to it, or download it as a different file type. But this JPEG is what I'm wanting. And then I'm also wanting you to change the name. So we're going to do Mary Verpaskable Mag Ad. Something like that. So your name, Verpaskable, and then mag ad. It's good to name files so that you can look at them and quickly know exactly what they are. So this is Verpaskable magazine ad. I could even put the size of it on the end if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that for these purposes. So this is the file I'd like for you to upload. Save it in your Verpaskable magazine ad folder for future reference along with your images here. This is the only file that I really want for Brightspace for a grade. And I think that's it. So I hope you guys had fun with this project, and we'll talk to you soon.